Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can enter the engineering mode of a Mercedes C-Class W204. Let's get right into it. We're going to use 3 buttons at the same time to enter the engineering mode, and I'll get you through the engineering mode when we open the engineering mode. Press the hashtag button on the right bottom corner with the button with number 1 on it, and the hang up button of the telephone. So 3 at the same time, and hold it for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, now you enter the engineering mode, and you can use this button over here to go through the engineering mode. Let's go through the engineering mode together. Go to the settings area. What we have here is system reset. If you're having problems with sound or navigation, you can try and use the system reset to reset your infotainment system and restart the navigation system again. I have used it before for some problems and it helped me very much. Enter the EMC measurement software update. You can press it and they will ask for a CD. Get back. System configuration. I would suggest don't do anything you don't understand. Fan adjusting. Then we have the system over here. Head unit, internal, most vehicle identification. What head unit is software versions. What's internal? I also don't know anything that much of these functions. Vehicle identification, VIN number. The next one is tuner. The next one is navigation, general, press tour, Navi test mode. Now here you can test the navigation system. What's general? Hardware information, software information, the Bluetooth, device list. You have a device list over here. Versions, status, the settings area. Deauthorize all devices. Bluetooth visible, yes or no. And the last one is phone, application commands, and status. My suggestion will be don't change anything you don't know anything about. I found this out and I wanted to share it with you. I want to thank you watching our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Go to our channel. Give us a like if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.